We have a Emco Compact 5 CNC lathe. It's hooked up to a laptop via a serial port. It has the well turn upgrade. This allows you to hook this CNC lathe up to any computer that has an RS-232 serial port. No more tape drive. This is a nice thing to have. Turn it on. Gets the spindle going. And you can go ahead and moderate how fast you want to go. And over here with the pop-ups for something else, but anyway, when you want to move it, you can go ahead and use your keys. So I'm going to go ahead and rapid it, and I'm going to rapid it back the other way. And you can also make it go different speeds. You're just using the numbers on your keypad, and 0 is rapid. Okay, so we'll go ahead and move it in and out too. In. And let's go out. Alright, oops, that's the end of that stroke. So let's just do that again in a little. Alright, now if you want to rotate the turret, click over here. That allows you to go 1 or 2 turns. We'll do 2. We had our grooving tool on center a minute ago. Finding one, that would be like a boring tool because there are 6 locations. And there we go. We are ready to go. We are on center. It's kind of hard to see right now, but on center. And we've got a chuck in. This thing slides back and forth. You got to tighten down the Allen head. We've also got a live center right here that goes with it. Chuck key, some tools, and you're going to see a really nice insert tool. It's a Nicole insert tool. It's brand new, hardly even used. Alright, so coming back to the computer, if I go back, I've got several options. I can use the keyboard to move. I can turn a part with help from the wizard. Let's see if we can get a better read on this. You probably can't read them. Next one is use expert mode to run apart or to turn apart. Check the spindle speed. Set the tool offsets. Got a microscope right here that basically is for Emco, and it slides onto the rails. You can go in there and set your tool offsets, and basically, if you could see in there, there's some crosshairs, and this program remembers where the tool offsets are. And, anyway, so if I went to turn wizard, I could go on the C drive. I'm just going to take like 45 degree. Well, let's do the bishop. So basically, this program has some presets, and it's going to try to tool that for us. So if we say next, machine the part, next. This basically wants you to, first move it to the right hand tool, and then it wants you to basically say, that's the end of the billet, okay. And then the next thing it wants to know is skim the surface. So we're going to go ahead and say, yeah, we'll skim the surface, that's good. And I didn't read that one, but it wants us to do some measurement, measure the diameter of the skimmed surface, put it in. I'm going to go ahead and just say it's 4 millimeters. Well, let's say 8 millimeters. And wow, we're here, we're done. Okay, here we go. It's chucking up. And yeah, we got the tool in the right holder. We're not going to rotate it. Let's hit OK. The belts are proper. Yeah, we can put the cover on. And here we go. Set the spindle speed. So we're just going to turn it on slow. And let's say start. And it's reading over here what the spindle is, 334. Okay, so basically it's moving out of the way. Let's get that out of here. It's coming in. And this is all the same stuff that's going on here. So it's doing a skim across the surface, and as you can see, it's just moving down very slowly. Anyway, I think you get the idea. If you didn't use the template that's built into the machine, you can see the little belts moving. Then what you would do is you would bring in your cam, your G code, and it's moving back, and it's moving back, and now it's going to go in again. Here's some more belts, brand new. There's the 3 books, so you got everything you need, all your manuals, instructor, basic, and the vision, which is kind of like examples. Anyway, it's a really nice working machine for anybody who wants to do some nice CNC work. I have used it to make some metal parts. I was doing some work with stainless steel and some aluminum. I turned down a piece, and anyway, there's the chuck key, miscellaneous stuff. So thank you, and if you want to get in touch with me, my name's Jamie. My phone number is 760-712-2121, and it is March 10th, 2011. The machine is for sale. I might put it on eBay. So give me a call if you're interested. Be a fun little machine to have around the house. Thank you for watching. Also, I do have the program for a well turn, and it will be given to you for you to install on your computer. Right now I'm using XP, but I think it's going to be fine with anything, and the fellow named David in the UK is very helpful with this machine and helping out. So anyway, there's the guard as well. If you want to put the guard on, it bolts on right here and it goes over the spindle. Okay. Thanks again. Have a great day.